Letter number 73. To Muawiyah bin Abi Sufyan. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. Now, in exchanging replies and listening to your letters, my view has been weak and my perception has been mistaken. When you refer your demands to me and expect me to send you written replies, you are like one who is in deep slumber while his dreams contradict him, or one who stands perplexed and overwhelmed, not knowing whether whatever comes to him is for him or against him. You are not such a man, but he is, to some extent, like you, as you are worse than him. I swear by Allah that, had it not been for my giving you time, you would have faced from me catastrophe that would have crushed the bones and removed the flesh. Know that Shaitan has prevented you from turning to good actions and listening to the words of counsels. Peace be upon those who deserve it.